Okay, welcome friends. Today we'll be learning certificate course on computer basics and MS Office from basic to advanced. Okay, so we have started with advanced syllabus under Microsoft Word 2007 and we'll be learning working with quick styles. So what we will learn here, how to apply the quick styles, how to change the quick styles. What are quick styles? Quick styles means they are those formatted, you can say, they are those formatted text, or you can say like a template. Just by clicking on it, the all formatting settings regarding like what should be the color, how should be the spacing, what should be the spacing, whether it is a title, whether it is a subtitle, whether it is a heading, all you can make it workable there. Okay, so where you will locate the quick styles? Home, and from home the style gallery will be visited. Okay, in that, when you click on more button, you will be able to see more styles available. Okay, so when you click on the particular selected text, you will see the difference spontaneously. If you are not satisfied with these available ones, you want to change it, you can change the styles. Okay, click on change styles button, and from there you can either modify the style or select it by your own choice. Okay, first like it was title, then you made it heading. Okay, or some other one like this one. Okay, friends, this is a list of that is available. You can go to n number of options. The moment you click on it, you will see the things are displayed. Then we will see how the working of templates is available. Friends, Word help us with n number of templates. Just from scratch, you can create a single letter, or there are some letters in the form of templates available, or like you can create a report from scratch with all decoration and formatting, or some templates are by default available. Okay, so if we select a blank document, what are templates? Templates are like your lab manual that is having all the things printed. Only the students or the participants have to just fill in the details and get the things done. You don't have to prepare the background graphics for it. Okay, or nor the specific place for it. All the things are readily available. But if I use a blank document, there I have to prepare all the things by myself. So that's the issue. Okay, that's the difference between a blank document and the templates available. Okay, so where we will locate it? From the home button or the office button, you will find the, when you will click on new, you will be able to see the blank document or the recently opened documents and some templates available from the office.com. Okay, so when I click on new, see these are the available templates. Like suppose I am working in some company and I want to prepare a equity report. So this is the document. Okay, the moment I click on it, see this particular space is available, its subtitle is available, the background is available. Okay, file, new, you can select n number of things. If I click on template, then you can modify it. Okay, now one more option we will learn here, that is autocorrect. Autocorrect means what? Suppose I am writing and typing THE. I am expected to type THE, but I am typing TEH. So every time I may be in a habit to type THE and TEH, sorry, and I want it to be corrected as THE. So every time we have to do the spelling checking. So it doesn't make that sense. Every time it kills your time. So in the word options, under proofing, what we will select autocorrect option. In that autocorrect option, we can set what by default mistakes we do. Okay, it may vary from person to person. There are some default things made available for you, like if you what I have discussed right now, TEH, or if I say uh, A and D, so in that space ADN, if I write, so it will autocorrect. So likewise, some options are there. Sometimes this autocorrect option can be again used as a powerful tool. Suppose I'm habit of write like मुझे acronym लिखने की आदत है, for example. Or suppose I'm working with like I want automated teller machine everywhere, and I'm working with ATM. I'm satisfied, or you can say I'm at ease with writing ATM. So every time automated teller machine is very tedious job for me to type. So what I'll do, I'll create a acronym ATM, and for that autocorrect will be automated teller machine. So it will reduce my typing efforts. I'll demonstrate you how it will work. Okay. Then when you click on autocorrect option, this type of dialog box is there. Whatever I have discussed with you, you will put in this replace box, and what new text you want will be placed with. If you want to have the plain text, then you will click on plain text. By default, it is plain text. If you want to have the formatted replacement, you can create the formatted replacement as well. Okay. Next, you can apply the auto format. Friends, many a times you might have observed, I put 2 or 3 equal to signs and enter key. The moment I press it, a complete line is displayed. Okay. Or I put 2 minus signs followed by a greater than sign. A arrow is displayed. So this is the auto format option available under autocorrect dialog box. That when you click on autocorrect dialog box, you will find this autocorrect. This is the autocorrect option, and this is the auto format option. So it will help you out. Like we write 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 is instantly converted into half, like fraction half. Or if I'm putting 2 dashes next to next, it will convert it into a hyphen. Okay. Like internet links we see, the moment we type and press enter, it turns blue. So it likewise you can make the settings over here. These are the auto formatting settings. Okay. These are some of the examples. Like you click on continuously a new bullet option. Okay. So we'll demonstrate it now. First we will see quick styles. So friends, I've selected this text. I'll go to home. This is the style gallery. So spontaneously it changes. See, home. This is heading. This has turned to be title. Okay. These are the various categories of style. This is the title. If I want more, these are the various options available. Suppose it is a book title. I've selected that. Okay. Again, home. I'm not happy, but I want the original formatting. So what I'll do, I'll click on clear formatting. Everything is wiped out, and it is to the default form and default setting that was being set for this particular document. This is the formatting that I have done earlier. After this, I have made it this. Okay, this is done manually. Right now we have cleared the formatting. Okay. Suppose I want this particular, but with some different color, like red color. and it needs to be stored. So what I'll do, this particular red color heading one will be saved as MJB1. Okay, and I'll click on OK. So wherever I want, I can, this is my own created. It is done very fast. तो आप अगर एक बार पूरा सेटिंग आपके रिक्वायर्ड डॉक्यूमेंट का अगर एक जगह कर लो, you can create your own required styles with the color, the spacing, the alignment as per your choice. Okay, you need not to go to the formatting bar again and again. So this is quick styles. Okay, then we'll see the templates. I'm clicking on home button, new. Friends, in this particular dialog box, you will find blank and recent. So it is showing blank and recent. Okay. If I click on blank, a new blank document will be available. अब ये जो है Microsoft Office online जो भी available है, they are being here. It takes time. It will search and then takes time. Okay. Some installed templates are always there, like we have seen equity letter or equity report. See this one. Okay. So if I double click on it, the things are there. You can modify. Now you can put the title. This is okay. So see, complete formatting is there for you, and you just have to work on the contents. See how the style works. Okay. So इस तरीके से आप सारे आपके जो भी required documents है वो prepare कर सकते हो from the templates available. Okay. It reduces your formatting time as well as alignment one. Now we'll see the autocorrect option. I'll click on the document, home. This is our document. Okay. So we'll go to Office button, Word options, proofing, autocorrect options. Okay. There you will find this is the replace option available. In that I am putting ATM. So it is replaced with automated tailor machine. Okay. I'm clicking it on add. Okay. I'm just clicking on OK. Now I'll demonstrate you. I'm putting ATM space. There I have written capital one. So the moment I put ATM capital and space, friends see it has been replaced with automated tailor machine. Actually, this is not the appropriate use, but I have blended it for myself. Okay. What are the available ones for autocorrect? We'll see. Suppose I'm writing TEH. TEH. See, it has turned with the. So this is the beauty of autocorrect option. From where we have located it? Word options, proofing, autocorrect options, and here. Sometimes we get two capital letters by accidental use of caps lock. We find first two alphabets are in capital, so it will autocorrect it. Capitalize first letter of each sentence. first letter of each table cells, capitalize name of dates. Suppose accidental use of caps lock key, we can make it. Okay. Now friends, you will see, suppose if I'm using this double arrow and this one, so you will also correct it. Now we'll see the auto format option. Friends, built-in heading styles, automated bullet list we see the list styles, other paragraph styles also we can work out. Smart quotes are converted to like this, a tilted one. Ordinals, like first is made ST is just superscript. Then fraction 1/2 is turned up as half. If लाइन से दो डैश है तो वो एक लंबी डैश में कन्वर्ट हो जाते हैं. अगर मैं एस्ट्रिक, बोल्ड एस्ट्रिक एंड अंडरस्कोर, इटैलिक अंडरस्कोर लिखती हूँ तो वो रियल फॉर्मेटिंग में कन्वर्ट हो जाता है. और इंटरनेट एंड नेटवर्क पाथ्स जो है वो हाइपरलिंक से दिखाई देती है. ओके, so even you can apply text to email documents also, plain text to email documents. Okay, you can preserve the styles also. Okay, we'll see it. Now I am putting 2 dash and space and this one. It has done 1/2 space. See, it has converted half. Okay, I am putting 1 ST space. By default it has gone ST at the top. It has not corrected it, it has formatted it. That's why it is called as auto format option. I hope the things are clear. See friends, we have done this. Okay, so anybody having any doubts, any queries? Any doubts or any queries? Is it understood?
Yes, ma'am, it was clear, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.